Closed her eyes and, when she opened them again, she was back in the library, the book of the Garden of Dreams resting in her lap. Mrs. Gray was standing nearby, a knowing smile on her face. "Did you enjoy your adventure?" she asked. Clara nodded, her eyes shining with wonder. "It was incredible." "Thank you." Mrs. Gray's smile widened. "Remember, Clara, the enchanted library will always be here for those who seek its magic. Never stop believing in the power of stories." Clara left the library that day with a heart full of dreams and a mind brimming with possibilities. She knew she would return, eager to uncover more of the library's secrets. For in the enchanted library, every book was a doorway to a new adventure, and every reader a traveler in a world where magic was real.